Want to speak English clearly and directly? Use imperatives. Today, you'll master this essential structure for everyday life, from ordering food to reading signs. Let's get started. Our first stop, affirmative imperatives. When you want to tell someone to do something in English, we use the easiest grammar rule ever. No subject, no endings. You just use the base form of the verb, and that's it. Let's look at the examples on the slide together. Read, learn, understand. As you can see, we don't say, you read. We just say read. If you want an action to happen, start directly with the verb. It's that simple. But what if you want to tell someone not to do something? How do we express that an action is forbidden? Here, one magical word comes into play, don't. By placing don't right before our base verb, we create a negative imperative instantly. Don't shout. Don't run. Don't litter. Whenever you need to set a rule or tell someone to stop an action, the formula is always the same. First don't, then the verb. Imperatives don't always have to sound harsh or bossy. We can also use this structure for very polite requests or invitations in daily life. All we need to do is add that polite little word, please. Let's see how we use this politeness in a social setting, like a cafe. Take a seat, please. Please wait your turn. Read the menu, please. Here is a quick tip. If you put please at the end of the sentence, don't forget to put a comma before it. Looking professional and polite in English is truly effortless. Imagine you are traveling abroad, or a tourist asks you for help on the street. This is one of the most common places to use imperatives, giving directions. When telling someone where to go step by step, you use this exact structure. Look at how we give these 3 basic commands using the map. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the corner. Cross the street. Don't waste time saying, you turn left. Start directly with the verb to guide them efficiently. Next, let's look at warnings and signs that you see on the streets, in parks, or on public transport. In these areas, imperatives are used in the shortest and sharpest way possible to ensure safety. Look at these examples you might see in an official park. Don't litter. Crucial for protecting nature. Watch your step. A safety warning for a rocky path. Quiet zone. On public signs, you can often see short, direct phrases like this acting as a command, even without a verb. The goal here is to deliver the message instantly without wasting words. Now, it's your turn. Let's test how well you understand the topic. We have a fill-in-the-blank question on the screen. The sentence is, blank, please. The baby is sleeping. And your options are, A. Shout. B. Hurry. C. Be quiet. Pause the video right here, think about the context, and type your answer in the comments below. I will reveal the correct answer in a few seconds. Awesome job. The correct answer is C. Be quiet. Because the baby is sleeping, we need to say, be quiet, please. It is the only option that makes perfect sense grammatically and logically. Amazing job. You've mastered imperatives. Let's do a quick recap. Affirmative. Use the base verb, stand up. Negative. Add, don't run. Polite. Add, please, wait, please. If this lesson helped you, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.